Good morning, everybody. Our topic is artificial intelligence is business. Artificial intelligence, as we have heard these terms many a times, this is a developing world. Yes, but artificial intelligence, these two words are not enough to explain the broad insight behind these words. Artificial intelligence is something which is the major key of developing world, and when we connect this with business, then it becomes the major factor for development of the world. My name is Karthik Malhan, and I am your host for this presentation. Uh, we have done many experiments or many projects on artificial intelligence, and let me show you some examples. So, this is the CCAK COVID 19 Crisis Assistance Kit app. As we know, that COVID 19 is becoming a deadly disease all over the world and it's spreading very fastly. So, we have made this app which have proved to be very beneficial, and it was selected in the hackathon as the final winner. And in this app we have made something that a person, when he can be anywhere, and when he will use this app, then he can just check that where he is and what his shop is open around him in the 1 kilometer radius, and he can also register for that shop, and he can get his timing that when he should come, and he can even go for the appointment with the doctor through this app, and also can register or book the bus for the app, so that we can maintain the social distancing and there cannot be rush. So we have made this kind of scenario that the shopkeeper will have this app, and the person will also have this app, and they will manage their customer on the basis of this app. And we have another example. We have made this portable doctor software. By this software we were having a chatbot in it, and we were having a disease detector which can detect any kind of skin disease or fungal disease or bacterial disease, and even which can just check the reports such as ECG, EMG reports, and can give you the medical report that what disease you may have, or what kind of symptoms you have, or what drugs you must take, which medicine you must take. And so this proved to be very beneficial. When we go to a doctor, then he just predict the disease on the basis of his experience, and when we have the diseases which can't be predicted very easily by the doctor by just seeing them, this app is very beneficial, as this app can identify based on this on his data that which disease it is. Let me take an example of three diseases. We have herpes, we have dermatitis, and we have sclerosis, and all these things looks like rashes, and how to differentiate. So this application or this software can differentiate. So we have shown. So this is the medical report, and this is how it is detecting the disease. This is the herpes patient. And so these examples, we have made these projects, and they prove to be really beneficial. And do you know, the major thing which helped us with these projects was artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not something which can be explained in words. It is something which can be experienced by our projects, by our works. So let me try to explain that what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like human and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated. So in this world we are having many kinds of companies. We have Google, we have Microsoft, we have IBM, and we have many phones, many laptops, we have everything. In today's world, the world is on a click, it is said, and it is possible due to artificial intelligence. Since 20 years, it has taken its place in the market, not in science only, but in business also. As the business is applying AI to its technologies, AI to its work to make it more efficient. I have few examples for business also that in the hotel systems, when you have to take any kind of inquiry, they have to uh, keep employers to attend the calls and they have to pay them. But instead of that, AI have replaced them by the chatbots. They can take any kind of information from the chatbot regarding the hotels. And similarly for the call centers, nowadays we are having the chatbot which can answer any kind of questions. So the employers need not to be there. There are some companies such as oil and steel companies. They are using artificial intelligence in the places to identify where they must go for digging, that where they will get the oil and where they will. So it proved to be very beneficial. And so artificial intelligence in business is rapidly becoming a commonly used competitive tool. Clearly, companies are past debating the pros and cons of AI, from better chatbot for customer service to data analytics to making predictive recommendations. Deep learning and artificial intelligence in their many forms is seen by business leaders as an essential tool. So, AI in business, you will find several major key areas. Types of AI technology like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and cognitive computing. They all have integrated and make the company's business very easy. The data they store, the everything they helped in management. So earlier we were having data management problems, that there were huge data of many years with the companies, but with the help of data analytics, with the help of data handling, we have solved this problem very easily. And all this is artificial intelligence. We have the smart systems which can predict any kind of data, the insight of data we want. And uh, we have new technologies like Watson Discovery also, which can provide the insight of the data. If we have a very big data and we don't have the time to read that step by step, so it can make us understand that how to understand it. What kind of processing AI can be used for, such as imaging and speech recognition, predictive analytics, use cases, which what specific tasks these capabilities can help, such as smart agents for phone, chatbots, and more, optimizing inventory orders, anticipating machine or system failure, identifying cyber threats, spotting fraudulent customer activity. So AI in business. So we have seen that when the companies have started using the AI in business, they were having the income increased more than 3%, more than double, more than triple, and they were having the increase in their business of 57% increment in the business, and they having 20% development and 80% of the executive have boosted their productivity. And so this part of AI has proved to be really beneficial for the business of nowadays. Some most important benefit that AI should provide business is recommendation related to internal issues or customer facing efforts is 7%. Increase quality of communication with customers 10%. 14% is monitoring and alert to provide assessment of the state of your business, and 4% others. 38% predictions on the activity related to machine, customers, or business health, and 27% automation of manual and repetitive tasks. So these were the benefits benefit provided by artificial intelligence to the business who are using them on a big scale. So there are three types of AI, artificial intelligence. One is process and automation. It is more advanced than earlier business processes we are using. So RPA is more advanced than earlier business process automation tools because the robots that is code on a server act like a human inputting and consuming information from multiple IT systems. Second, we have cognitive insight. Cognitive insight provided by machine learning differ from those available from traditional analytics in three ways. They are usually much more data intensive and detailed. The models typically are trained on some parts of data sets and the models are get better. That is, their ability to use new data to make predictions and put things into categories improves over time. And third is cognitive engagement. Projects that engage employees and customer using natural language processing, chatbots, intelligent agents, and machine learning were the least common type, accounting for 16% of total. So all these things have provided the major benefits of to the business using AI. So the challenges of AI is it is hard to integrate cognitive projects with existing processes and systems. Technologies and expertise are too expensive. Managers don't understand cognitive technologies and how they work. We can't get enough people with expertise in the technology. Technologies are immature. Technologies have been oversold in the marketplace. So all these kinds of challenges have been overcome by the AI and they are working on it to overcome it more beneficially on a large scale. So we have five types of AI to propel your business. One is chatbot, smart personal assistant. Another is IoT solution robots, sentiment analysis, supplier risk assessment. Another is text recognition, speech to text conversation, and the another one is computer vision, augmented reality. So these are five types of things that AI have provided. So, as I have also explained that chatbot made from AI have proved to be so beneficial for call center business and for other business attending the customers. So AI has also performing the major role in forecasting market campaigns. So we have AI platform like business and analytics, AI boards, text generation, vision, cyber security platforms, internal ORG application, IoT and IIoT. So thank you. So I hope that you have understood AI through this video. Thank you.